big plans for your business this year? Whatever you want to achieve, Microsoft Planner can help you to organize tasks, assign them to team members, and check the progress along the way. To get started, create a team in Microsoft Teams. Add the people responsible for helping to complete tasks in your plan. Next, click on the plus icon and then the Planner tab. Create a new plan and give it a name. When you do this, members of the team will be alerted that a plan's been created. Next, you can create buckets of work. For example, if you were organizing a virtual event, you could have a bucket for attendees, one for speakers, one for marketing, and so on. Within each bucket, you can set tasks with deadlines and assign them. When you click into each task, you get a more detailed view. Set a priority, add notes and attachments, comments, and even break the task down into subtasks. Click on Charts at the top of the planner screen, and you can see the progress of each task in chart form. Click on Schedule to get a calendar view of when each task is due to be completed. We like to think of it as the ultimate collaborative to-do list. If you want some help getting this set up for your business or anything else to do with Microsoft 365, get in touch.